So this is the rock, paper, scissors game. But if you want to troll your friends and make them lose every time, you can change it and turn it to this. First, you can delete the import random, because you won't need the computer to pick randomly anymore. And you can completely delete all this random picking and just keep the print. Now, you put this if part. So if the player puts rock, then the computer puts paper. If the player puts scissors, the computer puts rock. If the player puts paper, the computer puts scissors. And then it prints out whatever. Here is the same as last time, determines who wins. And here's the proof that it actually works. And it's absolutely rigged, and they'll always lose no matter what. So I'm gonna run it. I'm gonna put scissors. The computer puts rock. The computer wins. I put scissors again. It puts rock again. I do scissors again. It's still rock. If I do rock, paper. If I do paper, scissors. So you can just kind of troll your friends with this rigged game and not show them the code by just doing this, so they don't know if it's rigged or not. And that's pretty much the rigged rock, paper, scissors game you can play with your friends.